If you want to design your nail art like polka dots, polka dots are a classic and straightforward nail art design. You can create them simply by using a dotting tool or even a bobby pin. Follow these steps. Apply your base color and let it dry. Use your dotting tool or the rounded end of a bobby pin to create evenly spaced dots on your nails. You can choose contrasting colors to make the dots stand out. Stripes could be very useful in nail art designs. Stripes are another easy nail art design that looks chic. To achieve perfect stripes, follow these steps. Apply your base color and let it dry. Place nail tape or striping tape on your nails to create stripes. Paint over the tape with your desired nail polish color. Remove the tape while the polish is still wet for clean, crisp lines. If you want to create a marbling look, then marbled nails create a unique and artistic look. Here's how to achieve this effect. Apply a base color and let it dry. Drop different colored nails onto your nail. Use a toothpick to swirl the colors together, creating a marbled effect.